Hey guys, today we're gonna play with a dinosaur. It is so big, isn't it? Uh-oh, the dino's gone. We need to find all the missing puzzle pieces. Wow, so many colors. I've got an idea. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Red. Great job. Ha, here's our reward. Come with me. Where do we put them? First, the head. Number 1. Next, the neck. Number 2. Now let's do the body. Number 3. The front legs piece is the number 4. And one more body piece is the number 5. Awesome, guys! That's a lot of sand. Oh, I know. Time to do some digging. Wow, do you see it too? And here's another one. I think we should get these pieces out, right? Oh, this sand is so nice to the touch. Hey, it's a blue puzzle piece. And what color is this one? Red. Let's see if there's anything else here. Yes, look, this piece is turquoise. Will we find more puzzle pieces? Seems like there's nothing. Oh? Ah, wait! Gotcha! It's green! I think we'd better look for more. Yes, it's another green piece. I think we got them all now. Great job, guys! Now, let's take these pieces back. Wow, we found so many puzzle pieces. So, let's continue. This leg is number 6. Next, we need the piece number 7. Another leg, number 8. Next, we'll take the piece number 9. And the tail is piece number 10. Hooray, guys, we've put this dino together. It's called a diplodocus, and it was one of the longest dinosaurs ever. It liked eating plants, for example, ferns and leaves. It also had a pretty small head with a tiny brain. Oh no, this dino is falling apart too, wait! It's gone. Well, we gotta find it. Hey, ladybugs. This one has one spot, so it goes over here. The ladybug with 2 spots should go here. This one has 3 spots. 4 spots. 5 spots. 6 spots. 7 spots. 8 spots. 9 spots. And 10 spots. Very well. Wow, friends, we've got some puzzle pieces. Let's put them in their places. Are you ready? 1, it's the head. The neck, it's the number 2. The next piece we need is the number 3. And we've got the tail! It's the number 10. What do we do with all this? This is a blue bucket. So let's put blue flowers inside. This is a yellow bucket. And yellow bananas. This is a green bucket. We'll put green grapes in it. And this is an orange bucket. And some orange butterflies. Now what? What if I shake it? Yay, it worked! It's the piece number 4. Will it work with the green bucket? Yep, we've got another piece. Number 6. The blue bucket. Works like magic. Number 7. And the yellow bucket? Yay, it also gives us a puzzle piece. Number 5. Look at this! Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's start with this one. It's a purple owl. Let's check this one. A yellow rabbit. Next bowl. A blue bear. And a puzzle piece. Great. What's hiding here? A green frog. Let's see. An orange bird. And the last bowl, a red monkey. We've got 2 puzzle pieces, perfect! Okay, let's see. Number 8 goes here. And here's number 9. Yes! It's a stegosaurus. Look at those spikes on its back. Impressive, right? Those dinos used them for protection. It's our next puzzle! Uh-oh. It's gone, too. Where did it go? Let's see. This time, we need to return the bees to their cells. A yellow bee. A green bee. A light blue bee. A blue bee. A red bee. An orange bee. And a purple bee. Wow, look at these pieces, friends. We've got a whole bunch of them. Let's put them together. Number 1. Number 4. And this piece has number 5 on it. 8 goes here. And 9, great job, you are so smart. What a cute house. Wait, here are some keys. The pink key must open the pink lock. Let's see, it's a pink mouse. The blue key for the blue lock. We've got a blue bear inside. Oh, and there's a puzzle piece too. That's great. But let's keep going. We'll use the yellow key to open the yellow lock. It's a yellow pig! And another puzzle piece. How cool is that? The last door? We need the green key to open this green lock. Oh, it's a green cat. And one more puzzle piece. Yay! What luck! Let's check if these are enough. Number 7. And this piece has number 2. Here goes the number 3. And we still have empty spots. So let's keep going. Let's find this head. Aha! Here it is! Now this piece, it's right here. And the tail, here we go. How about this head? It's right here. What's next? Gotcha. And the tail. Found it. We need one more head. Aha! Next, the neck. And the last piece. Perfect. Woohoo! We've got them! 2 last pieces! This one has the number 10. And this has the 6. One more dinosaur is ready. It's T-Rex. This dino was about the size of a school bus and only ate meat. This is it for today. Great job, friends. See you soon.